guys, welcome back to Style Me Up with Sakshi. I hope you guys are doing really great. For today's video, it is SMU Fridays video. By the way, I've been keeping up with Monday and Friday uploads pretty awesomely, so you should subscribe to the channel if you've not already. For today's video, it's going to be a day in the life of a boss lady. Now, this is something that I've wanted to do for a very long time. I get these comments on my Instagram and YouTube videos that Sakshi is such a boss, and I absolutely love that comment. Like, it's my favorite comment of the day, and I absolutely love it. I think I've had a certain mindset changes this year that has helped me to become a little more productive, a little more smarter with my decisions. So I'm going to be doing a whole separate video on that, but for today's video, I'm going to take you guys through my day. Let's get started. A very good morning, guys. If you can see, my dog is going crazy behind the sock, and I look very shabby. It's because मैं अभी बात से निकल कर आई हूँ, but I have to get ready to get on with the boss day. I feel I'm such a boss lady, and you should too. कोई reason नहीं है हमें ना feel करने के कि हम boss ladies हैं. If you go with the mindset, I'm telling you, you are going to kill your day. And because मेरे आज के day पे तो बहुत ही सारी चीजें lined up हैं, and I'm gonna take you guys along. So I thought it's the perfect way to start from scratch, where I have nothing on my face. I get ready essentially. So I really want to talk to you about something that I got in the mail very recently, and that is because I shopped from Shyaway. It's a lingerie website, and I saw the deal floating around on the internet that you get 3 bras for 999 rupees. What? And you guys already know how much I use Cash Karo. I also saw a deal of if you shop for rupees 300 on Shyaway, you get a cashback of 300. That, if you figure this out, if I buy those bra for 999 rupees and also get a cashback in my Cash Karo account for 300, those bras essentially are for 699 rupees. That is crazy. And plus, I'm hooking you guys up with something special. If you sign up on Cash Karo using the link given in the description box below, you will also get 25 rupees, and that you won't get otherwise. So please sign up using the link given in the description box below. I will talk more about this at the end of the video so that you guys can get a better explanation. But before that, I really have to show you all of the bras that I got and an underwear. Guys, you are in for a treat. Oh my god, Ollie, what are you doing? So these are the 3 bras that I got, guys. How beautiful are these bras? I'm obsessed. I'm gonna wear one of these today. That's the second bra that I got, and then I got a basic black bra. I'm quite surprised with the quality. The quality is pretty decent, and I can't believe ये तीनों 699 की after cashback आ गई हैं. मतलब, like, I can't wrap my head around this. And I also got another thing. These are, I think, called boxer shorts, underwear, something along these lines. And I really wanted to try something like this. And this retails for 449. अगर आप separately shop करते हो तो आपको 300 का cashback मिलता है, because minimum 300 रुपीज़ की एक्सपेंडिचर पे ऑन Shyaway आपको 300 का कैशबैक मिलता है. तो ये मेरे को टेक्निकली 150 रुपीज़ की ही पड़ी. दैट इज इनसेन. Okay guys, this is my outfit. I'm not trying too hard. At least it looks like it. I'm not trying too hard. I'm just wearing something casual क्योंकि मुझे वहाँ जाके change करना पड़ेगा, and I try and wear everything which is oversized and pretty loose so that मैं comfortable रहूँ. And I really dig this outfit. I'm just wearing a casual shirt that I got from Sarojini. This jacket is from Shein. The jeans are from Myntra. The shoes are from Cooves. And that's about it. The jewelry, I don't know, Forever 21, H&M, something like that. And yeah, I'm wearing my Shyaway undergarment. I am finally heading out to work, but before that I have to show you something, which is my own office. It's called SMU Coworks. I'm just gonna give you like a little bit of a sneak peek. Guys, if you've not started listening to podcasts, I'm giving you a life-changing advice. Start listening to podcasts. It's really changed my life, because 1 घंटे की जो ड्राइव होती है ना, वो बिल्कुल unbearable हो जाती है. And with podcasts, like, it becomes super smooth. By the way, I've reached my location, my shoot location. I'm gonna start shooting now, which I'm really excited about. Let's go.
We bop and pretty hot, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and pretty zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and pretty hot, I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and pretty zoom.
Guys, I'm done with the shoot. I'm heading off to a meeting. By the way, update on my inner garment. Oh wait, there's a little halt. Now I showed you these in the starting of the video, but I want to tell you how it starts feeling through the day. So I wore this particular bra through the day, and honestly, it really soaks in the sweat. For a boss lady, if you're on the move, you have some serious under breast sweat. I know this is a little bit of a TMI, but it really soaks it in. It lifts my breast, which is something that is very, very essential to me. Something which is a push-up really works out for me. So that's it. Continue with the day. Post my shoot, post my meeting, I went briefly to my dance class. And then I headed off to the gym. I've started boxing. It's very, very important to keep yourself healthy and active. I believe you should be fit. It's okay if you have a little more weight than usual, but you should be fit and you should take care of your health. One thing about a boss lady is she always knows how to make smarter decisions, save money wherever possible. So this is something you should definitely keep in mind. What you have to do is, firstly, you have to sign up on Cashkaro using the link given in my description. Only then you get a 25 INR, 25 rupees in your Cashkaro account. Second thing is, I'm going to also mention the deal link of Shyaway in the description box below, where you spend 300 and you get a cashback of 300 in your Cashkaro wallet. The only thing you need to do is you need to click the link in the description box below and then activate the deal. This will redirect you to Shyaway's page. Now shop like you normally would, add the products to your cart, add all of your phone details, number, address, everything of that sort, and then proceed to payment. You can actually choose any kind of payment that you want: debit card, credit card, NEFT, or cash on delivery. Cashkaro cashback is also available on COD. Once you've placed the order, you go back to Cashkaro account and you will see the cashback that enters your Cashkaro account. You can request to transfer the cashback amount into your bank account. It takes about 45 to 60 days to get confirmed, and then you can actually get like legit money in your bank account. It's completely safe. I've used it for a while now, about a year now. I've saved a lot. These guys have actually provided cashback of over 50 crores, which is a lot. Another thing what you can do is you can subscribe to Cashkaro's WhatsApp, and I'm going to be leaving all of the details and information in the description box below, so definitely check it out. Also guys, jaldi se hit the like button if you like this video. Definitely hit the like button if you want more vlog style videos, because I enjoy making them so much. I think it's so personal. I can connect with you guys. Also hit the subscribe button if you've not already. Join the family of Style Me Up with Sakshi. I will see you guys super soon. Bye.